Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure arrived homes for automated single-family investing. Quick to get started with configuring arrived homes for automated single-family investing, visit the official Arrived Homes website. Create an account by clicking the Sign Up button and filling in the required personal information. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see the main features of the platform. Locate the settings icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard and click on it. In the settings menu, select the Investment Preferences tab. Here, you can specify your investment criteria, including budget, property type, and location. Set your desired investment range by using the slider to indicate your minimum and maximum price points. Choose the property types you are interested in, such as single-family homes, duplexes, or triplexes. Enter your preferred investing locations by typing in specific zip codes or cities. Toggle the Automatic Investments feature to enable it. Review the notification settings to decide how often you wish to receive updates about potential properties. Customize your alerts based on criteria such as price drops or newly listed properties. Save your changes to ensure your preferences are applied. Next, return to the dashboard and explore the Market Analysis section. Utilize the tools available to assess local market trends and investment potential. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the various filters to streamline your search. Once you're comfortable with your settings, monitor the platform regularly for new investment opportunities. Review the properties that meet your criteria when they appear in your dashboard. Evaluate each property carefully, considering the provided data and analytics. When you find an investment that aligns with your strategy, proceed to make an offer through the platform. Congratulations, you are now configured to automate your single-family investing with Arrived Homes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.